I've known Phil for many years now. My first encounter with Phil professionally was working on the Serial Buddies film back in Connecticut. And he was our in-house editor in the trailer every single day with me, because I was one of the co-producers doing behind the scenes stuff. And he was a kid, but already on top of his game, working hard. He was reliable and on top of everything every day, because that was a crazy shoot for 3 months in the random outdoors of Connecticut. I would say that first off, Phil is probably the most hardworking person I've ever met in life. So he comes to the table ready to do anything that is necessary to get things done. And working in film and TV and even in the internet world, everything is fast and things need quick turnover, and you need to have multiple different skill sets to make things work and happen, especially on lower budget things. And I think that he has grown and done a great job developing multiple skill sets to make himself an excellent producer, an excellent editor, an excellent host. He's a great on-camera talent as well. And I think that he's developed that over the last, I guess it's been 9 years now. And I'm utterly impressed all the time, and he brings that every single time for every single project, big or small. You can tell he cares, because when he gets involved, he's like, what can I do? This is what I need to do. This is what we should try. He always comes with new ideas, and I think that he's kind of brilliant. He's reliable as all get out. And what I've found, especially working out here, is that everybody that can do great things is not always the most reliable person. They're not always on time, or they're not always delivering on deadlines the way that they should, and things like that. And I think that whereas, there could be multiple different people that you could use for one project as your editor or what have you, they're not always able to get the turnover and get those deadlines like they should. And I feel like Phil, if he says he's going to do something, he gets it done, and he gets it done when he says he's going to get it done, and makes doing the project and the process of the project move along much smoother. And that is not something that everybody can do or do well.